Just call me Floyd Mayweather because I'm about to beat your face. You get it? Because he's a boxer.
Yeah.
Just call me Chris Brown. I'm getting a little aggressive because I'm beating your face.
Throwing wild beauty tips like confetti. Renee Mar. Yeah, Renee Mar.
Hey everyone, Renee Mar here, and I am back with another bomb video. This is actually one of my best friends. We've been friends since high school.
We're not going to say dates.
Wowitsspencer, like wow.
Like, wow! It's Spencer.
I'm gonna let him do my makeup today.
Follow me. I need more followers. I do creative consulting work. I also work in tech. It's Wowitsspencer on Instagram and Twitter. I say some really crazy stuff on Twitter, so if you're easily offended, don't follow me.
So, do you have any experience with makeup?
Nah, but I just watched a Jackie Aina video, support black business, and you're gonna look amazing. I don't make people look ugly. Just by being in my presence, I make people feel better.
Let's get it. 1, 2.
Let's go.
I am going to move this mirror because I do not want to see anything. I mean, I wish I could do it blindfolded for real, but I don't want to see anything. So we're gonna start with primer. So first I'm gonna give you options on 2 products that you can choose from. Okay.
I'm only using Fenty.
So we have Hosey Marian's Argan Moonstone Drops.
Josie. Like Josie and the Pussycat.
How dare you!
Okay, this one smells pretty good.
Okay.
And this is Josie Marin Argan Moonstone Drops. Okay, let's go ahead. What's this one?
And this is Becca. This is a first light priming filter and instant complexion refresher.
I don't know how I feel about Becca. Sound like
What does she smell like though?
hot dog water. I'm playing. I'm not gonna go with this one. This one right here. This one you'll use more. This one you typically use.
No, I actually don't really use either of those, which is why we're bringing them in today.
We're gonna go with the Josie Marin.
I do want to also give you a tip that there is instructions on the back of most products, so.
Now you want me to read. All right, so we're not gonna use all this. We're just gonna do drops, so. Get in there. Jackie Aina, her video, after she put on the primer, she put on translucent powder. So do I have options or is that just this right here?
That's it. Huda Beauty.
Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty.
It's actually in the color blonde.
And I'm gonna use a beauty blender. Look at me a little bit. All right, so I know it's gonna come here. So cause Jackie Aina said in the back of this box said your T's on too. So get in there. I'm getting a little aggressive because I'm beating your face. Now we gotta choose a foundation. This is the MAC Studio Sculpt SPF Foundation, broad spectrum.
And then this is BH Cosmetics. This is the liquid foundation. It's called Naturally Flawless. Do you want to go with the high-end foundation today, or do you want to go with the affordable, flawless, natural foundation?
So me being me, I would want to go with the more expensive one. However, you know, you haven't gotten your summer color yet.
This is true.
So this one looks like it'll match you better.
Okay.
Beauty
MUA Spence.
on here.
So you can put it directly on there. You have the option to do that. Or what you can do with the beauty blender is you can wet it to make it easier to blend to your skin. It's up to you. No.
So you got a couple here. I know we're gonna need more than that. This is for the whole face. That's probably enough. Ooh, this is thick. I put so much on here. This is like your whole face. What type of brushes are they using for makeup these days? It's in your eyebrows. we got the foundation done.
So now you have the option of the highlighter that you're gonna choose. So I brought a cream highlighter. This is by Ulta. This is the color correcting foundation and primer stick, but I use this as a primer sometimes. And then I also have LA Pro Girl, and we're gonna use the color nude because it's kind of like my skin color as well. So you wanna do the liquid or you wanna do the cream?
I'll do this. How about I just use both? Let's see what happens.
Okay.
This little bit goes a long way with this stuff, huh? Unless you're ugly, then a lot's gonna go the right way for you. In your eyes. I know they put it right there, and then you make it like triangles, right? Oh, you moved. So it's gonna be like a cat eye. Trust the process. It's okay.
Y'all don't understand how uncomfortable this is for me. So next we're going to be contouring the highlighted area that he just highlighted. So I'm giving him the option to either do a eyeshadow, a brown eyeshadow as my contour, or he can use this cream contour.
You know what?
Cream contour.
I'm gonna go with the cream because you know what? Your face looks creamy right now. So do we add powder again to make this cream effect stop?
Yeah.
But that's towards the end.
Yeah.
Tamara told me beforehand that she was using Total Beauty Cosmetic. This color is called number 9. Go ahead and rub your lips together. So we definitely gonna line that, but you know what? Even though it's like a little over, it don't matter because you know who wear their lips oversized? Kylie Jenner.
Kylie.
All right, nobody tell you to do that the second time. Now you're just trying to throw me off. Go ahead, close the door. You don't see you? Do y'all see this? I got you looking thinner than ever. Okay, so now we gotta do your eyes. Use the matte book by Coloring Crayon Case.
Love it. Okay. So these are your options. So which ones are you choosing? Which one are you gonna choose?
Let's just go with this one.
Okay, now which color?
Don't worry about which color. Trust me. Ooh, that's intense. That is intense.
Okay, so listen.
The brows is bad.
It's not really that bad. I mean, of course, you know.
You look good. You look.
No.
I did.
He didn't really do that bad of a job.
It looks good. It looks good.
It doesn't look good.
Oh,
Okay.
so fix it. What would you fix?
There'd be plenty of things that I would fix. Thank you for sending in to another bomb video. Subscribe for weekly videos every Sunday. I'll also be throwing Bob Beauty tips on my social media at grenade_mar. We can say this together, okay? We see you, girl. I'll see you next video, okay? 1, 2, 3.
We see you, bitch! Boom, 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 boom.
Throwing bomb beauty tips like confetti. Grenade Mar. Yeah, Grenade Mar.
I gotta look at
It look bad!
I got a degree too. Ow.
Sing like my life was leaving in things like really gone away.
I'm probably not be able to wear this out nowhere.
I mean, just tighten it tighter in the front. Not on camera. Black, y'all. I'm black, y'all. I'm blackity, blackity, black, y'all. I'm like a Crayola Brown. A lot of you broke motherfuckers is Rose art. Can you put beeps over the curse words if you want to? Or should I just not cuss?